How to find deleted listing in Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged in through your account. You'll land to the home page. Now head towards the Marketplace page. Once you're in the Marketplace page, at the top you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Sell. Now click on the option of Your Listings. Now over here you're going to find all of your listing. Now how can you find deleted listing? Unfortunately, right now you cannot find the deleted listing. Once you have deleted any of the item, now you won't be able to find it. So what you can do is you can click on the three dots and set any of the item as marked as sold. With that, you won't get any messages for the item. So at the moment, finding deleted listing is not available in the Facebook, but if in the future Facebook comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about if you can find deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.